The beginning of Tobago Cocoa Estate West Indies Limited. The first day of cleaning and preparation for the planting of cocoa and Tobago soils. The cleaning, the clearing up of all excess bush and etc. This is Dwayne Dove, and I hope to guide you through an experience that will take us on a 4-year journey to our first crop, our first harvest. It doesn't grow outside of it demands a certain amount. This is a top view of Tobago Cocoa Estate West Indies Limited, where we will be cultivating premium cocoa grown on high quality premium Tobago soils. As we can see, we have a beautiful view of the Atlantic, which is on the east side of Tobago, where Tobago Cocoa Estate West Indies Limited is located.
I've seen that. I'm just looking at it. Did he ring the bell?
In Trinidad and Tobago, they specialize in post-harvest practices. This is another variety.
He said he's woman.
Produced after 4 or 5 years. And this dirt oven was built by a gentleman from Trinidad. Okay? That one, alright? So just pass it around so everybody will get. Alright, well done guys.
And the next thing he does is strike at you with his talents. He wouldn't hurt anybody because I've got him on my glove, so he's alright. But
so at Tilimoro, so here at the all wooden shovels, and it's all made from cedar. We don't use any metal.
There's a few.
Just open the roof like and sprinkle some water over the cocoa beans. Tobago Cocoa Estate West Indies Limited, first harvest, and single estate cocoa beans, and this is 70 kilos.